Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you how to crochet one of my many granny squares, and today will be the regular granny square in one color. I will show you exactly how to crochet this from start to finish, and if you think I'm going too fast, you can always slow down the speed in the settings below. So for the yarn, I have used a DK weight and then a 4.5mm crochet hook. If you want to see all my other granny squares, then you can check out the playlist on my channel page. And let's begin. We begin with a slip knot. And then we chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these 3 chains now count as the first double crochet, and then you have the first one, this one, which will be the center of the square. We will now do a double crochet into this first stitch. So yarn over and insert the hook into the first chain and double crochet. And then work another double crochet into the same chain. So yarn over and insert the hook in the same chain and finish your double crochet. Now we chain 2, 1, 2, and then we make another 3 double crochet into the center. One, 2, and 3. Then you chain 2 again. And then make another 3 double crochet into the center. And then we chain 2. And then another 3 double crochet into the center. So now we actually have our little square. We will now chain 2 to finish the final corner. So just chain 2. And then you will join the square with a slip stitch in this top chain you did over here. You can count your 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And then on top of this one, you will now make a slip stitch. So you have 1, 2, 3. So you insert the hook to this one and slip stitch. So now you have your first round. So now you chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And these 3 chains now count as the first double crochet of your second round. Now you will make another 2 double crochet into this first corner space. So you yarn over and insert the hook into this little space you have right here. Do a double crochet. So now you have what counts as 2 double crochet into this little loop. And then make another one. Just insert the hook directly into this gap and work another. So now you have 3 double crochet into this corner space. Now you will move on to the next corner space and do 3 double crochet into this. So just yarn over and skip all these and insert the hook into the next corner space and work 3 double crochet into this. That's 2 and 3. Now you chain 2. And then you work another 3 double crochet into this space. So yarn over, insert the hook into this corner space and work another 3 double crochet. So now you have your corner right here. Now you will skip these 3 and work 3 double crochet into this. So yarn over and skip these 3 and insert the hook in the next corner space and work 3 double crochet. Then you chain 2 and then work another 3 double crochet into the same center, the little corner. So another 3 double crochet into the corner space. So now you have 2 corners all done. Now you move on to the next one and work the same way. So you will work 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and then another 3 double crochet in the same corner. And then you move on to this corner again and work 3 double crochet. And then you stop and meet me up there. And when you did your final 3 double crochet into this corner, you will now chain 2. And then work a slip stitch in the top chain over here, just to finish your second round. So now you have your second round all done. So now you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then this counts as your first double crochet on your third round. Now you'll work another 2 double crochet into this space. So just yarn over and insert the hook into this space and work another double crochet. So you have 2. And then yarn over and work another double crochet in the same space. And you have 3 double crochet, which will be the first half of your corner when we get all the way back here. Now you will find your little gap you have in the middle right here and work 3 double crochet into this. So yarn over and insert the hook into this space and work 3 double crochet into this little gap. So just yarn over and insert the hook into the same gap and work another double crochet and another. So you have 3. And then you find your next corner over here and work 3 double crochet into this. So just yarn over and move on directly over to the corner. No chains, no nothing, just work 3 double crochet into this corner space. So you now have 3. Then you chain 2, 1, 2, and this you'll always do for the corners. So each corner will be 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and then 3 double crochet into the same corner gap. So the corners will always be the same thing. 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and then 3 double crochet. So now we are done with our 3 double crochet and we have our first corner made. So now you move on to the next gap in between the corners and work 3 double crochet into this one. And that's it. Now you skip these and move on to the next corner. And the corner will be 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and then another 3 double crochet into the same corner space. So I think you get it now how to move on this round. You know how to work the corners. And when you're finished with your corner, you move on to this one and work 3 double crochet, and then you have a corner again. Just repeat the steps all the way around until here, and I will explain the next step. And to finish the round, we will now chain 2 for the final corner, and then join with a slip stitch on top over here. And then we begin the next round, and we begin the rounds exactly the same way. So we will chain 3 again, just like the previous row. And then we will work another 2 double crochet into this center or into this corner space. So just work another 2 double crochet into the same corner space. So you will have 3 double crochet in total. Then you will now have 2 spaces in between the corners. So you will have more and more for each round. Now you have 2. And from the corner, you'll just go directly into the next space and work 3 double crochet into this. So you will just yarn over and insert the hook directly into the next space and then work 3 double crochet into this. And when you have those, you work 3 double crochet into the next space And then you make it to the next corner, and you will just insert the hook into the corner space, and then you will work 3 double crochet, and the corner will be exactly the same as all the other corners. You will work 3 double crochet, then chain 2. Now you have your 3 double crochet, then you will chain 2, and then you will work another 3 double crochet into the same corner space. So again, the corners will always be 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and then another 3 double crochet into the same space. So now let me show you. Now you have your next space over here and another one over here. You'll just continue working 3 double crochet into each space, and then you make it to the corner where you'll do 3 double crochet, then chain 2 and 3 double crochet over here, just like you did over here. And then you made these 2 spaces where you will work 3 double crochet into each and move on all the way around to this one, where you will chain 2 and join with a slip stitch. And then you will just repeat this round again and again until you think your granny square is big enough for what you need it for. You will just keep doing this where you do 3 chains and then begin the rows exactly like we did on this row. I added another round, and now I'm satisfied with the size of my square. So to finish it up, I will now chain 2 to finish the final corner, and then slip stitch like all the other rounds on top. And then I will cut the yarn and then pull this loop through, and then we can weave in this end on the back side. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!